Alright guys, we're back out on the water again for another adventure. This time again back out on Lake Ontario, but today we're going to actually try and go into the Toronto Harbor, see if we can get in there, see what that looks like. I'm out here with my buddy from Due Diligence Fishing. Go check his channel out. Anyways, just a quick evening ride, a little midweek evening ride, so see what we get up to, what fun we can find, little adventures and stuff. So this is going to be my first time taking the Sea-Doo into the Toronto Harbor, so we'll get to go see the downtown core a little bit better and, you know, just to see what it looks like from the water. So sit back, relax, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see what we get up to. Alright guys, we're just into the channel now going past. We got the airport ferry going past us right now. You have to give way to that when it's going through. You don't get the right of way at all, so no issues there. Then you got the island airport, there's Porter. And a beautiful view of downtown Toronto. All this old stone from the building and things. Crazy. And like, look at this. Look at that. That's like perfect. It's like a perfect triangle. And then you got rebar. all this stuff. Crazy. Now I gotta get back without freaking impaling myself in wet sandals. Wow, this could make for a good video. Oh, oh my God! Whoa! Hey, howdy now. Made it. All right. We shall continue on and see what we find. That's crazy. Alright guys, well, that's pretty much wrapping up. The sun's starting to get low, so we're on our way back. Great little trip out on this evening just to be out on the water for the evening time here in Toronto. We're going to head back. I think we're going to actually go through the Toronto Harbor again on our way back. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys checking out the videos. I got some more videos coming soon. I'm going to do some stuff up on Georgia Bay coming up really soon. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe so I know that you're watching, and until the next video, cheers, appreciate it. Peace.